Hey, family! It's Vlogmas Day 5, and I am so happy to be alive. It is a beautiful day out here today. It's overcast. Looks like it's going to rain. Guys, I think I need my hat. I'm not gonna wait until the rain comes. So if I have on my hat, I won't have to rush to go back inside. And I might have to change the jacket too, but just getting the hat for now. Yes, my peeps, if this is your first time here, welcome to the CML TV. And I am your host, the Glades Garden Girl. In today's video, I'm going to be throwing out some stuff from the garden. And I want to show you, basically the things that I'm going to be throwing out. Because my friend Kathy from over there in Glory's Garden, she was asking me yesterday, hey, how come you're downsizing and you're still getting stuff from the dump? So I have to show my friend Kathy that even though I am getting stuff from the dump, I am pretty much throwing out a lot of stuff that I will not be using anymore in the garden. I recently took down some tomato cages, and what did I take down? I believe some of my white fencing and some other the ivy poles, yeah, that I said I was not going to use, but I ended up using them on my deck. But these things, I am definitely throwing them out because honestly, becoming a minimalist, the more things I see, the more things I want to get rid of. So I don't need a whole lot of things in the garden that when I am walking, I'm bouncing up on them and they're taking up a lot of space. Let me show you what I'm trying to get out, guys. So this is one of the things I am going to get rid of. And I'm also going to get rid of this. And I think I'm going to be throwing out some of these too, and I have to do it fast because I just came out and realized that it has started raining already, and I want to get these in the trash before the dump truck comes. And these, I'm throwing out these, but I'm not sure if I can put them out today. I might have to wait until tomorrow when the truck is going to be picking up all the plastic containers. So let me get these two in the dumpster right now. All right, guys, I made it with the first piece that I'm going to be throwing away, so I'm heading back now to get the other pieces. Guys, look here. I took out the drawer and put it in here because I was hurrying to take it to the dump, and everything just fell out of my hand because this piece fell off the top. And this is all the more reason for me to throw it out now, guys. I mean, it has done its time. It wasn't here for long. So guess what? I'm saying thank you for the time you served me. But now you gotta go. All right, so let's take it to the dump. All right. That's it. That's that. All right. That's it. I'm heading back now, guys, to see if I can find anything else that I need to throw out from the garden. So I am keeping this chair because I think I want to do a DIY project with it. But as for these ones here, I think I'm going to throw them out as well, guys, because I'm also considering throwing out these bins that I've been using for a long time now. I think I'm going to be throwing out the chairs. So I need to get those stuff off and take them to the trash as quickly as possible before the truck comes. things. I am gonna dump out the soil from this, go through them to see if I need any of them, and if I don't, I'm gonna be throwing away everything because I have these for over 4 years now when I just started my gardening. But there's a time for everything under the sun. Guys, look at all of this junk back here. I'm considering it junk now because I am really and truly not using a lot of them. I have so many containers not being used right now, and it's just a lot of clutter to me. So I'm gonna try and take out this one first. This was a compost bin, but I am now using the half a 55-gallon barrel, so I'm going to dump out whatever is in that in this barrel right here. And another day I think I might come through and take out some of the other stuff that I'm not using and throw them in the trash. But for today I want to catch the dump truck, so I'm just going to take out a few of the things. Even back there, guys, I need to clean back there as well, but it is gonna take some time because I mean, 6 years of gardening, I have accumulated a lot of stuff. So let's dump this out in here and take it to the trash as well. Look at this, guys. Look at this compost. Yes, I have good compost to use in the garden. All right. I'm gonna get rid of these now, and I have one more of this to get rid of. All right, guys, I'm not sure if this is going to be the last container. Let me go back and see. But this is a lot of junk. What do y'all think? Oh my gosh. No, siree. I guess a gardener is a hoarder. Do y'all agree with that? be done taking out junk today. Because this is a lot of stuff, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna make the dump trucks work easier. So when they pick up this bin, they will just pick it up with all of these in. Because they're using that grubber. So let me put these in one. I'm not even sure if I should actually leave these here or leave them for the plastic thing. You know, I think I should leave them for the plastic for the truck that comes tomorrow. Alright, so this looks like a neat dump pile. I hope I did well for those for that truck. So if the truck comes today, guys, I'm gonna show you when they're picking up this stuff for us all to say bye bye, farewell, bon voyage. And at this moment, I would really like to thank each piece of item that I threw out because they have served their time in the garden. I really and truly appreciate them, especially these coffee creamer jars, because I had some purslane flowers planted in them and they made the garden look so beautiful. So goodbye, farewell, bon voyage one more time. Let's wait for the truck to come and pick them up. Lord have mercy, guys. And look here. It is the next day and the junk is still here. So yesterday I came out and I put out these 2 lampshades and I noticed that the table is gone and the chairs are gone. So guess what now? One man's trash is another man's treasure. So I got them from the trash, put them back in the trash, and now somebody else get them from the trash and take them home and they are going to become somebody's treasure. Yes, my peeps. I don't know the amount of stuff you all have in your garden, but go and check it out to see if there is anything at all in there that you think you might not want to go over into 2026 with. Guys, and I'm telling you, you know, the more things I get rid of, the happier I feel, the lighter I feel, and I just want to do more. So until next time, my peeps, bon voyage. I will see you soon in another video. Bye-bye. Farewell. I can't say see you next time. You know, I was really reconsidering these terracotta pots right here, guys, because they look like I could plant some things in them, you know. I wonder if I should pick them up and carry them back in. Lord have mercy. Because they look like they have little more life left in them, you know. Oh, Jesus. Wanna tell me the truth? Guys, wanna tell me the truth? Wanna think them have some more life left in them? You know, so me I go pick them up. Me I carry them in back. Just kidding. Bye, people. Bye-bye.